Welcome to Larry's Garage. Well, tonight we're starting on probably kind of a big project. This package, contraption, whatever you want to call it here on the trailer is my new lift. It's a 4-post lift. So I need to begin unpacking it and getting ready to set up. By the way, that little crate there is a jack that goes on the lift. So anyway, gotta try to figure out how to either get the lift off the trailer so I'll have room to put the lift together where the trailer is, or something. I don't know. Could be interesting. I do have some room here, but not enough to put the whole thing together, so I'm gonna have to get it off and get the trailer out before I can put it together. So could be interesting. Stay tuned. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I got my engine hoist / shop crane in position. Got some straps that I got put underneath this jack, so I'm going to try to hook them on the hook there and see if I can lift it up and move it out of the way. The jack, or at least the crate and everything, weighs like 350 pounds, so it's kind of a little too heavy to lift by myself. So here goes nothing. Okay, I got the jack moved successfully, and I took the crate that it was in and stuck it over there against the wall. So going to start unwrapping the lift itself and see how that goes. Well, it's all unloaded. Man, that was a chore. So I got still got to clean up that cardboard that we used for padding, and that it was wrapped in, still all over the place. Uh, got both the, I don't know what you call them, that part that you drive on for the lift. Got one over here and one over here. I couldn't get them both off on the side because needed room for my shop crane engine hoist thing. So anyway, gonna have to do something. I've already run into the sharp corner here. That was not fun. So I'm gonna put some cardboard or something around those so that I won't rip a big hole in my leg before I get the thing put together. So anyway, that's all for now. And, I'll be back probably tomorrow to start putting it together. Although I got to get the trailer out of here first. So anyway, stay tuned. Welcome back to Larry's Garage. Today we're going to start the assembly of the 4-post lift we finished unloading yesterday. So let's get started. Okay, I wanted to give you a little update here. Making some good progress finally. We got the cross members of the between the posts put together for both ends. One difficulty we had was, not sure how well this is going to show up, but these, there's some sort of composite material, nylon or something. There are, some of them are a little bit too big to fit in the channel. So we had to hit it with a hammer and give it some lubrication, and some of them were quite difficult. So, but we managed to get them in finally. Even trimmed some where the weld stuck out and was forcing it was making a little gap right here between this and the metal. And they're still fit a little tight, but I think that'll probably loosen up as time goes by as it's being used. So anyway, it seems like there was something else I was going to mention too. I don't recall what it was. The instructions mention putting this cross member in from the top and working it down, but unless you have something more stable to stand on, as you can see, I'm over 6 foot tall and I can barely reach the top of it. So to lift that, I would guess that weighs probably 50 pounds or better. To lift it up that high and slide it down from the top is a little bit of a feat. So anyway, I'm going to continue assembly today. Hey, we got it all assembled, I think. At least we don't have any extra parts, so unless they didn't send them all to us, so we're getting ready. I just got through putting hydraulic oil in the cylinder over there, the black cylinder right there. And so I'm going to plug it in and see if it works. And then I also want to test the rolling it around. So that's all for now. So everything seems to be working well, except for the wheels. There's two of the wheels that seem to be, I don't know, bent or misaligned somehow. So I have to mess with that some more tomorrow and get that figured out. But everything else seems to be working good. So thanks for watching. Okay, I got the wheels kind of figured out. I don't know if they're all going to be like this for other lifts, but mine, right before those little side arms get up to where they're ready to go around the post, you have to realign them, because I think pretty much all of them don't line up properly. And this one, and I've tried this a couple of different places, so it's something to do with how this one is made. It's probably a good inch off, and I actually have to get a pry bar to move it over, but once I get it moved over, it works good. So I'm getting ready to actually assembled, not intentionally, but I realized that as I had already started, I got it assembled backwards of how I want it positioned. But I didn't worry too much about it since it has wheels to move it around. So here in a few minutes, I'm going to jack it up and put the Camaro up on the wheel dollies and try to shuffle things around in here. Of course, I could back the Camaro out and then move the lift around, but it's cold outside, and I just want to see if I can, if the wheels, all my new wheels, work good or not. So anyway, stay tuned and maybe entertained. Who knows? Well, that worked pretty good. I wanted to be able to have it lined up where I could drive onto it, with the door open, and have it at a little bit of an angle like that. So I may have to tweak it a little bit after I, try it and use it, but everything moved around pretty good. The car rolled good, the lift rolled good, and didn't have any major catastrophes. Thanks for watching.